Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to update your property tax address online in Canada. If you've moved recently or need to make sure your property tax information is sent to the right address, updating it online through the Canada Revenue Agency CRA is quick and easy. First, sign in to your CRA account and select your individual account to access the My Account portal. From there, go to your profile, navigate to Contact Information, and click on Edit. You can then update your address with your new details to ensure your property tax and other correspondence reach you without delays. If you can't sign in because your phone number has changed and you're unable to receive the multi-factor authentication MFA code, you'll need to contact CRA directly by phone to make the update. Also, if you're trying to update the address for someone else, such as a spouse or a family member, you must be their legal representative and use the Represent a Client feature within your CRA account. Keeping your property tax address up to date is important for staying on top of your financial records and avoiding missed payments or notices. That's all for today's guide. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.